Welcome back. In front of you here is the one thing that I got done today. It's kind of a, I don't know, mega boss. Because these are little bosses. That's the size of the big boss before. The idea is this thing's going to be able to spawn ships. I'll put something in the blacked out area here. It's a little bit pixelated. I might go back and refresh the art. Some parts of the art were stretched. Yeah, that's a good word. That's alright, I have the high resolution source for it, so it shouldn't be too hard. Anyhow, it's got some interesting things like these little animated sparks on the reactor or whatever. And yeah, it's as dangerous to the player as it looks. So let's have a look. Oh yeah, this is only in in this level by default. So yeah, we have the dying test of a hull there. I'm gonna blow that up. Now, I did increase the health on this big thing, but not by a whole bunch. It's only about 200. But if you see here, it's a big gun. I have to fix that big gun on the top so that it shoots from the correct spot. But I mean, here's a normal boss. And here's this big guy. His collisions are all proper too. Oh, I also fixed the alpha on the thrusters. That might not be picked up very well by the web here, but yeah. This little guy, he blows up and... Oh, he didn't blow up with an explosion. Weird. Hope I didn't break the... I mean, there's a random chance that they don't have... Oh, there's the reactors. You can see the animated reactors, which are actually animated by code right now. Oh, yeah, okay. It was just that one randomly didn't get a big explosion. Weird. Okay. Anyhow, this guy here, he kind of should have an explosion, but he doesn't have a... Yeah, see, he doesn't have a proper, carcass. I'll have to make a carcass for him. Like these guys here, they all have their proper carcasses. Yeah, see? That matches what he is. Anyhow, tomorrow I'm hoping to get the pickup system for the player working. It's the template's in, but it's not quite ready. But I get it in, and then you won't start every level with all your guns. You'll start with just a few, and then it'll be like a workup. But again, it depends on the level. Some levels may grant you everything right on the start. But yeah, if you don't have the stuff, we're going to find that this is going to be quite hard. I mean, just the attrition of bullets. If you don't have something protecting you, you're going to have issues. But, you know, that'll come down to level design and balancing, I guess. Especially since that big guy's going to be able to spawn the smaller bosses like these guys. Anyhow, I'm just going to maybe kill one more big boss here, or maybe die. I'm not sure. Oh. So I'm gonna have to check my... Oh, I'm still in cheat mode. That's why I can kill these guys. My missiles are still incredibly high powered. I don't have the balancing done yet. So, yeah. I don't have the balancing done, so my missiles, those orangish red missiles that I launch, do way too much damage. Yeah, of course, and having all those Gatling lasers help. There's still 3 bosses out here on the map somewhere. But, let's see if I can find one here. Wow. Oh, there's a boss. There's two of the 3. Oh, there's all 3 bosses in one spot. Isn't that nice? Oh, I'm gonna die. That's cool. That's nice. And with that, I'm gonna call this the end of this one. But again, so Mega Boss, you've now seen it. I'm going to try and avoid making new units. It's just fun to photobomb some stuff together and make them. So, yeah, it's kind of fun to build this sort of stuff and then have it just be live and plop some guns down in on it. Yeah, I really, really need to make some levels. So, yeah. Anyhow, that's where it's at. And if you like this kind of stuff and you've been liking the project, or you'd like to see maybe, well, chances are I am going to put all the smaller parts of the artwork up somewhere. The big 8K textures take up a bit of space, and some of the free sites aren't, I don't know, they're not really good at hosting those. Well, they're good at it. It's just not fair to host something, especially since you can go out and get some of the free tools to make them, like GS Placement has made a lot of these random building things, and then I chop it up and move the textures around and do different blend modes and stuff in Paint.net. Just about everything art-wise here now is actually Paint.net, with some various plugins installed, right? So anyhow, yeah, I may just dump all the sprites right into my account on OpenGameArt. But anyhow, if everything goes the way I plan, we'll have that private beta out, followed by a public beta. And then once I see that those couple levels are working, then I'll probably push out an actual release. But anyhow, that's where it's at. Again, if you like this kind of thing, you probably do. You watch this far. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.